she works hard. Oh. Okay, we're too excited. Let's not do that anymore. Let's go.
So Trisha, you just wound their dogs right up completely where they're actually fighting, and you're laughing at it. What happens is one of them gets really hurt. Sif is a much bigger dog than Lula. What's going to happen? You can't control the three of them. And then you're going to take the dog to the vet if it has an ear ripped off or a big gash in its body. You are so irresponsible as a dog owner to be winding dogs up like that. And it's not the first time. They fight often. This is just getting out of hand. The way you treat their dogs.